1 in 5 women of 15 to 30 years age group in urban cities of India are estimated to have Polycystic Ovarian syndrome or PCOS. More than 50% of these women are completely unaware of it. This syndrome cannot be cured and has a set of multiple symptoms. In later life, it can upsurge the risk of developing other chronic health-related problems. The Teal Project aims to generate PCOS awareness in young women by conducting one-on-one sessions, distributing Teal kits, and interacting through its online presence. The Teal kit is an inclusive PCOS guide in a reusable fabric pouch containing several booklets and surprise goodies. In future, the Teal Project aims to decrease the percentage of women impacted from PCOS by early detection in order to improve their health beforehand. Awareness is power.